Open banking provides lenders with unprecedented access to a wealth of transactional data. But when we speak to lenders, they tell us what they want to know is how can this data be really used most effectively to drive business growth? Well, Castlight have created a Co-CreaInnovation Hub, and this has been developed as a safe and cost-effective environment for lenders to test and realise the potential of their data. Using Castlight's powerful APIs and categorisation engine, lenders can work with our data scientists and affordability specialists to prove key concepts, explore possibilities, and create new innovative custom-built solutions. Lenders can use the Hub to understand their customers' financial behaviour, to test new bank propositions, improve risk and credit decision processes, and develop new products. Lenders can also combine their own customers' transactional data with credit score information to create powerful new insights. Come and talk to us, and together we can explore open banking data to see how this can transform your business and improve your customer experience.